Hi, I'm Grace. Welcome to Grace Chinese lesson. In this lesson, we are going to talk about 3 important elements of Chinese. The first one is tones. The second one is pinyin. Third one is strokes of Chinese character. Now let's talk about tones. I think this is gonna be the most difficult parts for most people to learn Chinese. In English, there are only 2 tones. For example, you say English, English. But in Chinese, there are 4 different tones. The first one is a flat tone. The second one is a going up tone. The third one is a turning tone. The fourth one is a going down tone. For example, these words, they all sound like da. But when you give them tones, they sound totally different. Da, 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 da. Is that interesting? I think you're gonna have fun with tones. Now let's talk about pinyin. Pinyin looks like English letters, but they sound different. And also, they have tones. You will find pinyin very useful. Pinyin will help you pronounce the words correctly. And also, you can use pinyin inputting to type Chinese characters. And also, you can use pinyin finding the words from dictionary by alphabetical orders. Now, let's look at strokes of Chinese characters. Chinese characters are made up from many small strokes, just like A, B, C, D in English. We say Chinese characters are square characters because they look like square shape. And when we first learn how to write, we write them on the square boxes like these. Each of the box is divided into 4 areas. And we write the strokes on certain area of the box so that the characters look correctly and beautifully. For example, the first one, it's a left and right structure, and the second one is also a left and right structure. The third one is an up and down structure. In our next lesson, I'm going to show you a very interesting video about Chinese character. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. There are Chinese stories for intermediate level and Chinese cooking and cultural videos. See you next time. 再见.